face sa rubber mat, kuha ka na ng cotton balls. Kuha ka ng cotton balls, waiting for discarded, at saka soap. Okay? Then you just have to wash. Just say wash. Don't say anything else. Wash. The upper extremities. Then, soap. Take the parts as you soap. From the chest, up into the shoulders, concentrating on the armpit, chin pose, and interdigital spacing. Kung dito ka makawan, do not save it. Wash the soap on the chest, down the interdigital space. Lahat ng hindi mo sinabi, hindi lang ang grade ko dalawa. Sabihin mo naman kung hindi ginanahan ng kamay. Then, shoulders, concentrating on the armpit, chin pose, yung gilid leg pose, hands, and interdigital spacing. Pero kung pinagawa ko kanina, sa washing the face, is a stroke. Again. Kung ang pinagawa ko kanina is a stroke, hindi nakasama yung neck. Kasi FEC lang yun. You would have to include or prepare cotton balls, waiting for the sizes, saka water. Bakit? Assuming a stroke ang pinagawa ko kanina. So when you soak the upper extremities, it says, wash the chest, shoulders, then you get cotton balls, soak and squeeze, include the neck. Angat ang neck, then clean the neck. Kasi a-stroke pinagawa kanina neck. Start, then continue. Soaking the shoulders, armpit, chin pose, and interdigital space. Okay na. Yeah, nakuha ko. Then immediately, what would you have to rinse? Rinse immediately the hands. Why? Because they suck. Okay? Persist yung sa aking reflex na lalaki niya. Then the rest. Wash or rinse right. Then after the upper extremities, that includes until the interdigital, sideline the baby. Hold through the chin, then scoop on the back. Hindi mo kailangan ng bugs dyan, kaya kalibuan natin yun. Okay, then hold the low back, then wash. Take the part of the soap. Capillary shoulder blades down the back of circular motion. Then release. After the head, after the face, after the eyes, upper extremities, back. Next would be the lower extremities. Wash the lower extremities. Soak the lower extremities, concentrating on the groin or singlet, thigh, skin folds, popliteal space, leg, foot, and interdigital. Then wait. Next.